Hi guys, if your 8BitDo Ultimate controller is not connecting, if it has wrong inputs or profiles are messed up, a reset can definitely fix it. So in this guide, we are going to learn both the reset and the software factory restore. So on the 8BitDo Ultimate controller, you need to hold the home button. So the home button is going to look something like this. So you need to simply hold it for at least 8 seconds until the power off. Now you just have to turn it back on normally, and this is going to clear the temporary glitches without affecting the settings. Now you can also press and hold the pair button for a few seconds until LED starts flashing rapidly, and this is going to remove the saved connections so that you can pair fresh. You can use this if your device is not detecting the controller. Now you can also turn the controller off first, then you can just simply press the start plus Y plus R1 buttons together for at least 3 to 5 seconds. The LED then will flash quickly, confirming a full reset. This wipes the profile button mapping and pairing data. So that's how you can reset it. Thank you.